So here we are, April in Nebraska. We had a freak spring blizzard come through. Actually, our only true blizzard of the winter so far came in April. The only way to get out of the house this morning was through the garage door because the other doors were snowed shut. And you can see Mark's making some pretty good headway on getting those cleared out. We'll walk around the house here. As you can see, some of the great drifts we have. About 8 inches of snow fell over the night, but when you couple that with 50-mile-an-hour winds, you can get some pretty nasty conditions. The interstate is still closed, North Putt to Sydney. I imagine the wind's going to be pretty bad back here, so I'm not sure if you can hear my commentary. They're still saying a 70% chance of snow before noon here today, but as you can see, the skies are looking pretty clear, so I'm not sure if that's going to materialize or not. I certainly hope not. Over here by the pond, we've got some pretty snow sculptures going on there. Here in our backyard, our beautiful patio. We hoped to be using this time of year for a while. In the backyard, here we have the shed where the tractor with the snow blade is kept. As you can see, it's being held hostage inside about a 4-foot snowdrift. Hopefully we'll be able to get that out here in a little bit and be able to start moving some of this snow, because we do have a house concert scheduled for today at 7:30. Unfortunately, my artists are in Denver right now. I know Interstate 80 and Interstate 76 is closed in western Nebraska. I'm not sure how far Interstate 76 is closed going down into Colorado, but I'm sure that the drive isn't going to be that much fun. The good news is that these late spring snowstorms don't last terribly long. It's supposed to actually get up to 40 degrees today, and it's supposed to be 60 over the weekend. So this snow is going to be gone literally in a matter of hours. And I want to show you here, if you can see down in my tracks from earlier when I was walking around, that's water and slush that have already gathered down in the bottom of my tracks here. So I'm sure that things are going to be melting here quickly. And as you can see from the state of our wood pile, spring is not going to come any too early, because we don't have a lot of wood left here to keep us warm over the winter. So there you have my weather report from tax day, April 15th in Nebraska. It's supposed to be spring. Doesn't look much like spring, but hopefully in the near future I can do another post that'll show the grass green, the trees budding, the flowers starting to sprout, and we truly will have spring in Nebraska.